Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you've been using WhatsApp on your PC with the latest update, you might have noticed a super handy new feature, replying directly to media you've already sent. No more scrolling through endless chats or digging for that photo or video. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step so you can do it effortlessly. Let's jump right in. First things first, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to grab that new functionality WhatsApp loves, rolling out these tweaks to make life easier. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You'll spot a media icon there, probably looking like a little picture frame or gallery symbol. Give it a click, boom, a whole window pops open with all your shared media organized neatly. Now, from that media gallery, select media to browse everything you've sent or received. Scroll or search to find exactly the photo, video, or file you want to reply to. It's all right there, no fuss. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of this window, there's a sort icon kind of like arrows or a filter button. Click it to open the sorting options. Choose you from the list. This filters it down to just the media you've sent, saving you tons of time. Spot the media you want, right click on it. A menu drops down and you'll see reply staring right back at you. Select that and a reply box appears. Type your message, add emojis, whatever you need. Finally, hit send. Your reply attaches right to that original media in the chat, keeping the conversation threaded and easy to follow. It's perfect for clarifying details on a pic you shared earlier or reacting to your own video without confusing anyone. There you have it. That's the quickest way to reply to sent media on WhatsApp PC with the new update. Super simple once you know the flow, right? If you're still running into glitches, double check your app version or restart it. Drop a comment if this helped, or if you want more WhatsApp tips, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Catch you in the next one.